Oh, look at that. PEZ? Tape? Yeah, what a fun combo. Said no one ever. Ugh, unacceptable. Unacceptable. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Tape. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, this is a really, really underrated PEZ dispenser. They're hard to find. Look at that long beak. Whose idea was this? This thing is so heavy. Wow, that's some heavy plastic. So this is what is referred to as the long beak raven. When we compare it to a raven, you can see the differences in the beaks. Now, this is the Austria version. Austria had a red and a yellow version. I think the yellow version's harder to find, just my opinion, of the long beak. This one you can find. Now, so these are the Austria versions. So like I said, Austria came with yellow and red. And we're gonna do it this way because I want to pull the pointer out. These are full cheeks. So when we throw in a Hong Kong, you can see the partial cheeks version. Now the Hong Kong version of the Raven, only yellow beak, no red beak. And the parts are not interchangeable because these were made in Hong Kong and these were made in Austria. And that one was made with a lot of heavy plastic, that's for sure. Now, this one here is footed. And when we look here at our patent number as we focus, 39, Austria. But the head is almost got a blue tint to it. Not sure if you can see there. But yeah, it's got a little bit of a blue tint compared to the darker black Austria heads here. But yeah, look at this long beak raven. Hard to find item, and it's finally here on the PEZ book. He looks so smart with his glasses. So until next time.